Clearing your Chrome browser cookies will speed up slow and sluggish browser searches, and also fix issues you are experiencing with websites. A clean browser cache will ensure you are loading the most up-to-date version of websites. Okay, let's get started. I am going to show you how to clear cache in Google Chrome, which will delete your browsing history, cookies, and cache. The first step is to open up your Google Chrome browser.
Good, let's go.
Once you have your browser open, you want to go over to the top where you see your icon, the profile icon, and go just to the right of it where you see the three dots and left click on it. And that will open up this menu where you can select settings to get to cache options. But we're going to save a few clicks instead and go to more tools. Just hover over it and then another menu should expand and you want to look for clear browsing data. Left click on clear browsing data. Now we are presented with the clear browsing data panel, which you could also get to from settings, but this is a direct way of getting there without clicking through as many options. Okay, on this panel we have two tabs, basic and advanced. Most people will be using the basic tab, so let's go over the advanced tab first. Clicking the Advanced tab will show you all the same options you saw under Basic and some extras. The extras include download history, which is like browsing history, except it is a list of your past downloads. Passwords and other signed-in data are passwords that you have had Google Chrome remember and that you want to have removed. Autofill form data is data that you have filled out from previous forms on the internet, such as your address or your billing address or credit card information. You will know when you have some of these stored in the browser when you start to fill out any form online and you begin filling out that first box, either your first name or street address, and the form starts giving you the option to auto-complete it. Autofill form data will not delete your Google Pay accounts though. Next we have site settings. Site settings are settings and permissions that you have given to websites previously and you want to be deleted. For example, you may have allowed your camera or location or notification to come through to your computer. Those will be deleted. And last is the hosted app data. Hosted app data refers to data from apps that you've added to Chrome from the Chrome Web Store, such as Gmail. Okay, let's go back to the basic tab. Now, the first thing you want to do is decide on the time range. The time range is a drop down along the top, and it allows you to clear browsing data from the past hour, 24 hours, 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all of time. I usually select all of time since I want to get a good clean. And then there are 3 checkboxes that are already selected for you, so you can decide whether you want to keep all of them checked or not. In most cases, the answer is yes. Browsing history is going to clear all your history, including the search bar history, which is when you type in a search term and the browser will auto-suggest one of your previous searches. Clearing cookies will remove all information stored on websites, including whether you were signed in or not. And cached images and files. This will fix broken websites and ensure that you are loading the most up-to-date version because you are reloading the most recent files and images when you delete them. Once you are happy with your selections, you can hit the Clear Data button to clear your cache in Google Chrome and delete all cookies and history from your browser.